dare you? Cat Country 98.1, home of Courtney and Brendan in the morning, and Southern New England's country all day long. Here's Chase Matthew.
Everything you need to get started.
Every day, all day.
Brooklyn was a...
How much is up?
Rocks!
Relief Advocates. Real solutions.
One I switched up. This one will get revealed.
Tuesday morning.
For the party side of you and the chill side of you. Because we love you both ways.
Southern New England's country, Cat Country 98.1. 36 month leases, $54.99 due at signing, 0 security, 10,000 miles, N6125. Go to
Now she's gone.
If you're interested in hearing a...
Is he better than?
We're sleeping under the stars instead of sneezing under them. All united this month to celebrate those who go above and beyond. As a credit union created for the military.
$49 a month, $249. Plus, trade in your current vehicle and get paid top dollar to use as a down payment. Now, get up and go to Greco Toyota for huge savings while they last. A new Tacoma, $199 a month, or RAV4, $249 a month. Only during the Get Up and Go sales event at Greco Toyota. Minutes from anywhere on Route 44 in East Providence. Or shop online at GrecoToyota.com.
Will exceed your expectations. We guarantee it.
I'm Ultima Morgan of Morgan & Morgan. Every time one of my children started driving, it was terrifying. I am quite aware of the dangers being on the road. Thousands of accidents happen across the country. We see it every day. These families' lives will be changed in an instant. We fight for these families as if they were our own. We've become America's largest injury law firm by winning cases just like these. If you've been injured in a car accident, call us.
Injured? Dial pound law or visit forthepeople.com for an office near you.
Attention skilled tradespeople and sales pros. Are you ready to join a team where your hard work is valued and your career can thrive? Gem Plumbing and Heating has 2 new branch offices in Massachusetts and is hiring. We're looking for HVAC, plumbing, electrical, drain, and sales professionals who are ready to take their careers to the next level. Enjoy competitive pay, benefits, and a supportive team environment. Plus, we're offering attractive sign-on bonuses. Don't wait. To join our growing team, apply at AskGym.com today.
A torn tendon. It's not just painful, it's life-altering. The surgery, the long recovery, the fear your body will never be the same. Dr. Paul Liu and his team are changing that. They're the first in the world to use a regenerative gene therapy that doesn't just rebuild torn tendons, but makes them 200% stronger in just 4 weeks.
I know he ain't feel like that.
It's full while refreshing.
Right here on your favorite radio station, WELH 88.1.
Fam, like the pull-ups would have got me, bro. I was happy.